Neither horror stories nor finance nor make money online channels. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about such USA faceless niches. If you create a channel of them in 2025, nobody is going to stop you from growing. I will not tell you about just one, two, but 10 such USA faceless niches on YouTube. I am going to tell you about in which the competition is almost zero because most of the people are busy creating channels like finance horror stories. So if you want to know about some new ideas and fresh niches which are available in USA and other premium countries. If you are going to grow in 2025, then definitely watch the entire video. You will definitely like one or the other niche. So let's start it. But first, subscribe my channel Digital AI Dollars so that you will not miss any of my premium videos. So first of all, the first niche is called Weird Foods and History. You should watch these channels. They tell you that which popular food of which country, where did it come from, the whole history of food, food comparisons between two countries, which food product is made in what way, how is it eaten, more such interesting foods in different countries. Their videos are based on related topics, and you can guess the popularity of all these channels by looking at their numbers. Making these videos is also very easy. Even if you are an absolute beginner, you can easily join this channel. You can work on it. There is no need for much editing or any other expertise. You can easily create such a channel with just stock videos and voiceover, and in this niche, you get a very good RPM. Around $5 to $8 per thousand of views. Apart from this, you can also earn a lot of money from sponsorship and affiliate income. Now let's talk about the second niche, which is Top 10 Niche. As the name suggests, every top 10 thing from around the world in which the audience is interested, you can do it in these niches. Look at the channels. You will find all their videos on topics ranging from top 10 movies, top 10 animals, top 10 cars, top 10 football players, top 10 countries for tourists, etc. And such videos are also watched a lot in these premium countries. You can guess this yourself by looking at the subscriber count of these channels. Again, you can create this type of content very easily without using your face or even your voice. If you want, you can also make such videos using AI voice by using it. Now, I am telling you about all the niches. If you want a detailed tutorial of any of these niches, then you can comment below. The niche which will get the most comments, I will bring its video first. Now let's talk about the third niche, which is the mega projects niche. Now if you're interested in engineering marbles and architectural designs, then this niche is perfect for you. Now see, technology has now made we have progressed so much that in some countries, very tall buildings are being constructed. Somewhere long and high bridges are being built. Somewhere metro trains are going under the sea, and there are many more such engineering marvels in every developed country nowadays. And develop. You get to see these in the lapping countries. And people are also very much interested in these topics and also have a lot of curiosity in knowing about these new things. So you can also create such a channel, okay? Like all these channels, it is a very interesting subject. And trust me, right now, the competition in this is also almost nil. So if you start early, you are sure to get an advantage. If you want a detailed tutorial on this, then you can comment below. Let's get back to our fourth niche, and this niche is sports related. Specifically speaking, football news niche. Now look, football is the most popular sport in the world, and it is also the most watched. That is why content related to it can also very much popular on YouTube, football related news, football related content, news of football leagues, player related news. All this can be covered. Full of views will come without any doubt. I've already made a recent video on how you can create a USA faceless football channel, in which I have told you everything in detail step by step, from where to get the material and how to do the editing, and finally how to make a video. Then you can go and watch this video, and you can also run these channels 100% faceless. In this faceless RPM also, you will easily get 1,000 views at $8 to $10 as well as fit in it. And you also get a lot of sponsorships and affiliates from sporting brands. So this is one of the great niches to earn money. But in the entire YouTube, the niche which gives more money than others, rather it is our fifth niche. Do you know which niche it is? So the name of this niche is cryptocurrency, and in this niche you can make $20 to $30 or even $40 per thousand views. This is the niche with highest RPM category niche, but one. Problem with this niche is that just anyone cannot start it. If you are genuinely interested in cryptocurrency and are actively following news and updates related to it, then you can create a knowledge-based channel on cryptocurrency in which you can teach people to invest in crypto. You can tell them about different types of cryptocurrencies, and in the coming time, its market is going to grow even more because people of most countries are now moving towards a decentralized currency. If you want to go there, then there's a lot of scope in this, but keep one thing in mind, that never give buying and selling suggestions on your channel. If you want to create a channel of general crypto-based knowledge, then you can easily do it. It's more than enough. And one amazing thing is that in this niche, you will get a lot of sponsors who spend a lot of money on sponsored content. So there will be a rain of money from all sides on the channels of this niche. So if you are genuinely interested in it, then yes, then you can definitely now. Niche number 6 is green technology. Now look, global warming and climate change have become a reality for every country, and taking measures to deal with it has become not just a choice, but a necessity. So now most countries are adopting green technologies, whether it is electric vehicles, hydrogen fuel, solar and wind energy, or any other green technology which is safe for our environment. Many developed countries are adopting it to become 100% green in the coming 20 to 25 years. We have also set a target to shift to energy, such as Canada. So now you can understand how useful the content related to this is going to be and how much people's interest in this category is going to grow. All these channels are now focusing on this, and videos related to this are also made, as you can see now, from where do you find these topics, how to make videos, from where do you get the material. If you want a detailed tutorial on this, then comment. Now let's talk about niche number 7, vegan lifestyle. Since COVID-19, more and more people are switching to clean and vegan lifestyle and healthy eating. And especially in premium countries, this trend is growing very fast. It is growing. Now, by looking at the numbers of these channels, you yourself will get an idea that how non-veg items can be replaced with vegan products. You can tell about it. All this comes under this niche. In this also, you will get to know about it. There is no need to show your face. If you want, you can also show your face or even make complete faceless tutorials. The whole work will be done with your stock footage and AI. And another good thing in this niche is that you also get RPM in it. It is very good to get around $8 to $10 per thousand views. But at the same time, good money can also be made from sponsorship and aft income of vegan products. So it is a great niche to start in 2025 now, which is the 8th. Our niche is geographical facts. Watch these channels. They make fact-style videos about all the countries and their interesting things, like 10 interesting facts about Denmark. 5 amazing tech cities of China that you didn't know existed. Why Denmark is the most happiest country in the world. Just by breaking down such amazing facts, these videos are made on the reasoning behind them, and such videos are also available on YouTube now. And with the help of AI, you can easily make such videos and you can create such a channel. If you want a dedicated video on this too, then you can comment. Now see, the last 2-3 niches that I'm going to tell you about are all linked to each other. So if you want, you can consider it as a single niche, or then there are different niches, and the name of this niche is documentary style videos. Now within this, you can take current affairs based documentaries, history, and war-related documentaries, or any other category. But you can choose documentary-style channels and watch them. Documentary-style videos have recently become popular in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh in the last 2-3 years, but in premium countries like USA, UK, Canada, documentaries have been being watched since a long time. Even on Johnny Harris, he makes all the documentary-style videos. Mostly his videos are based on current affairs. But apart from this, there are some more forever green niches like history-related documentaries, war-related documentaries. By watching these channels, you can get an idea of his style. You can guess what style of documentaries they make. Now this niche is very informative, keep them entertained, so you will get all the ideas by watching this video. You just have to choose a category for yourself as to which style you like. I want to make a documentary channel and you can start. Now look, out of all these niches that I have told you till now, you can think carefully and analyze everything well and choose a niche according to your preference, your comfort, and choice, and start from 2025, but still you are just thinking, don't just go ahead and start it, and after that, keep working properly, and you will get growth sooner or later. If you have any doubts or questions, then you can comment and DM me on Instagram. So don't forget to like the video, and subscribe our channel Digital AI Dollars, or if you want to earn money by making a kids channel, so I have already told in this video, so click left and watch the video completely. Or if you want to earn money in 2025, so click right and I will see you there. Bye.